is our car.
Welcome in Amsterdam.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
It is quite windy today.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's nice.
Tomorrow is better.
So this is the central station. So if you want to take the canal tour, see that? So when you get out from the Amsterdam Central Station. Is it 891 to Zaanse Schans, Windmill?
We believe it is.
Zaanse Schans, 891 bus. 391.
Chocolate, that's my life.
You smell,
is it?
right?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can smell.
Yeah, it's very
at
nice,
this.
yeah. Where is it at?
So follow that smell and we find the chocolate. So this is the Zaanse Schans village. This is the Windmill village. Hey, come here. We're here in Zaanse Schans, Amsterdam. Good.
Hi there.
Are you happy, sweetie? Are you happy? Kiss mommy, kiss mommy, kiss. Kiss, kiss. No. Yellow shoe, mom. Look at the sheep. Mom, there's the yellow shoe. Where? Ayun! Yeah, so we're heading to the club. So, here we are. Club workshop. The Zaanse Schans wooden shoe workshop.
Then you
Cheese factory. Google. Ito natural, pepper, may herb, may pesto, may cracker. Or the bell, bike bell. Hi! So this is the cacao love, my husband's favorite. Yoo-hoo! Look at them.
Coco. Hello.
So do it yourself. How to fit wings. I like cold. Do this one. Alright, let's do it. Can you do? You want one to run? Yeah. There's a milk there. Yeah. You put some milk. Greetings. In. These are the molds. Yes, cold. Have a good day. So this is the cacao that we smell when we get in, right? So we're going now to Anne Frank. So this is the statue of Anne Frank. My daughter wants to see her house. Yes, we're heading to Anne Frank house. We're heading now to the Royal Palace. Royal Palace here in Amsterdam. So this is a square. So you can show the square.
Yeah, I like it.
Onion pickles.
How much will it be?
Your attention, please.
Oh wow. So we got this fresh herring from Amsterdam. So let me try this one. This is a raw one. So if you visit Amsterdam, you must try this one, right? So let's do this. Yum.
Supposed to be by hand, right?
Like sashimi. Okay. Will you help or not? So this is the red district here in Amsterdam. Sexy Amsterdam. Like, what can you say? Very soft. Alright. We finally found Chinese restaurant. So it's Oriental City. So we are craving for this. Craving in Amsterdam. Chinese.